What do you usually cook for dinner?
Do you know how to talk about cooking dinner in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural conversation about cooking dinner.
You'll learn useful English expressions for preparing food, cooking, and talking about dinner.
Let's get started. What should we have for dinner tonight?
How about chicken and vegetables?
That sounds good.
Do we have any chicken in the refrigerator?
Yes, we do.
Great. Do we have any vegetables?
We have carrots, onions, and broccoli.
Perfect. Let's use those.
Okay, I'll start preparing the vegetables.
I'll prepare the chicken.
First, I'll wash the vegetables.
Good idea.
Then I'll cut the carrots and broccoli.
I'll cut the chicken into small pieces.
Be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, I'm being careful.
Do you want the onions too?
Yes, please. Onions will make the dish taste better.
I agree.
Everything is ready.
Great, let's start cooking.
I'll heat some oil in the pan.
Okay,
Now I'll add the chicken.
it smells good already.
I'm going to cook the chicken for a few minutes.
Should we add the onions now?
Yes, add the onions, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
The chicken is starting to turn brown.
That's good. Now let's add the vegetables.
I'll add the carrots and broccoli.
Perfect.
What should we add for seasoning?
Let's add a little salt and pepper.
How much salt?
Just a little.
Okay.
We can also add some garlic.
I love garlic.
Me too.
Should we add some sauce?
Yes, just a little.
The food looks delicious.
Let's taste it.
Wow, it's really good.
I'm glad you like it.
I think dinner is almost ready.
Great. I'll set the table.
I'll turn off the stove.
Can you bring the plates?
Sure.
I'll get the forks and spoons.
Do we need anything to drink?
I'll get some water.
Perfect.
Dinner is ready.
It looks amazing.
Let's eat.
Enjoy your dinner.
You too.
Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking about cooking dinner.
Practice these expressions aloud to improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
What do you usually cook for dinner?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.